First of all, ma'am, congratulations. You have got a huge response for the album.
Thank
Over
you.
8 millions you have got the way. So how do you feel?
Very, very, very happy, and I want to thank everyone out there who's gone and seen Mera Highway Star, liked it, and given us all the love. Thank you.
We're really happy about all the love you're showering on Mera Highway Star. Thank you guys. We really, really love you. And thank you for all your love and support. And I would like to say that you guys are the real stars.
In video we have seen car, speed. In real life, how you love means, do you love speed and
No,
car?
actually, in real life, I'm a little scared even to sit on a bike. So we are a little different from that. Yes, and even with like cars and all, you see Tulsi driving in the video of Ferrari, but in real life, she's a little scared of the speed the way Ferrari takes up.
Yeah, yeah, totally. We're not the characters that we're playing in the video. I think that's what kind of made it even more interesting for us, क्योंकि जो हम actually में नहीं हैं वो हम portray कर रहे हैं कि हम हैं. That's the whole beauty of being part of this video, and experimenting a different genre of music, a different side of us in front of the viewers and listeners. So yeah, it was really exciting.
And we are very happy that the viewers are really loving it. The whole new look
the
of
grungy
Tulsi,
look
the
of-
grungy.
yeah.
So that's very nice. It's super encouraging as well.
Tulsi ma'am is always known for an emotional song. This time we are seeing her in a peppy song. So what do you like to say about it? The changes you have made from emotional.
Well, it's a lot of fun. Of course, emotional romantic tracks तो बहुत किए हैं और वो करती रहूँगी, because that's what my listeners really like of my songs. And but this kind of जो different genre के songs आते हैं, peppy, fast numbers, वो भी करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, because I'm getting to learn how to इन गानों को कैसे निभाया जाता है with the right attitude, with the right feel, and of course they're very youth oriented. They have an instant connect with the youngsters of today, and when I perform these songs live, I see the crowd grooving in front of me. So I think it gives me a lot of encouragement. It gives me a different high altogether.
In which genre you are more comfortable in? Means in emotional or like peppy song?
Actually, I'm comfortable in both the zones now, and even peppy numbers I've done quite a lot in the last 2-3 years. I've done Saiya Superstar, Nachange Sari Raat, Mera Highway Star now, and the very recently released Gulabi 2.0 from Noor. आने वाली फिल्म में भी एक मेरा fast peppy number है. So yeah, I am doing these kind of songs also. और फिर एक तरफ है मेरे romantic songs like सोच ना सके तुम जो आए. That's something that I love doing, and I will continue doing. So,
Question, apart from acting, you have designed also in this song.
Yes.
So what was your mind in your mind while designing the costume and all?
I've been always passionate when it comes to designing. I've been doing that since very long. I have dressed a lot of Hollywood celebrities also. I have worked with Shakira, with Justin Bieber, with Carmen Electra. So that is something I completely enjoy doing. And in this video, when I had to design, it was like superb, because I can relate to the character as well, the character that I'm portraying. So it's a very nice and a correlated job, which I feel, as both the fields involves a lot of creativity, a lot of imagination. So I enjoyed superbly, and it gave me a chance to make as well as to play a character, which is something very different. And the whole grungy and the very nice look, the dress that she's wearing with tassels, I'm wearing with those chains. It was
transform me also in the video.
So it was a lot of fun. It was very nice.
The youth are very connected to this song. What message you like to give from this song? Because all these songs are related, means something message you like to give from this song. What do you like to give the message?
See, we want to be from very beginning, we wanted to be very inspiring, and we in fact wanted to encourage everyone and all the girls to feel and to be who they want to be. Because these days in the society, you see a lot of girls being suppressed. They've been often stopped from, like, you know, don't do that, don't do this. It's usually considered as a boy's thing, and girls should not do it. So that's what we have tried to break, and the time is really changing now. The world is going really fast, and I think girls are superior. They are in fact superior to men when it comes to a lot of things, and that's what, you know, we've tried to give a message through this video in a very nice and a very fun way,
and a peppy
that there is nothing which girls can't do. And you see me playing with cars, with bikes, running a garage, and which is generally society terms as a boy's thing. So we have just tried to break that, and to just communicate this to the audience in a very nice, fun, peppy, entire dancing way. Because music is a very one language which I think people instantly connect with, and they get the message also very nicely. So it's been a beautiful experience throughout.
And Raftaar is also featuring this song.
Yes.
So how was the experience with Raftaar?
With Raftaar, you know, it was great collaborating with Raftaar, and it's actually one of my first songs, which includes a heavy-duty rap portion in it. And yes, Raftaar brought an altogether a new dimension to the entire song. And when I got to learn different aspects, you know, when I saw him rapping in front of me, because this song is a very talking, singing kind of a zone where a lot of attitude, a lot of grunge in the voice is required. So I picked up those nuances from Raftaar while he was rapping, and I've also tried to incorporate that in my singing for Mera Highway Star.
Ma'am, why Raftaar only? You have, means other not other means many other rappers
Because
that
see, as you see, there is highway, there are cars, it's all about speed, and Raftaar name is also about speed. So it was the whole, I think the whole idea,
and I think Raftaar is also a very, very the speed, he's known for his speed of rapping, and that's what this song needed. So it needed that kind of Raftaar.
Exactly. So that's why.
Is it true that this song is made within 2 days? 1 day?
Yes, it was made in a day actually.
In a day, but of course the groundwork was going on. But yes, Raftaar, and then we had Sanjay Raji जिन्होंने music किया है, and then me on the vocals. So yeah, the entire song shaped out.
That took a day. We took 2 days to shoot this song. But it took me 3 days of 3 months of starving and not eating and giving up on sweets. But it all paid off. So that was good.
Aftermath, this is the second song you both are featuring. So how was the bonding you share? Would you like to share something?
We share a very nice and a very special bond. It's like your sister. It's like a best friend with you throughout the time. So everything we can discuss with, we motivate each other. So you don't feel, I think, alone at any point of time, which is a beautiful and a good feeling.
And even while we are performing, you know, in front of the camera, I always know that if something is going wrong, she's there behind the camera to look after that, and vice versa when she is in front of the camera.
We are each other's critic, so we can rectify a lot of things.
There's a comfort zone on the set also, even in the recording studio. Like I remember after the recording, I told her that, you know, in this particular recording, I felt that I'm very much at ease. So I think that's when we
feel complete when we are together.
Any secret you like to reveal about Tulsi ma'am, or you like to reveal?
Secret? There are no secrets.
Then it won't be any secret if you know.
Okay, any childhood memory if you like to share?
Childhood memory was actually we have many coming back from school every time watching this movie, and then my papa Shri Gulshan Kumarji put me into music classes as well as Kushali, whereas Kushali ka keen interest nahi tha singing.
I was never that passionate. मैंने एक या 2 classes की थी, उसके बाद मैंने नहीं की. While she continued and she kept doing it, I started with drama. So yeah, but there are a lot more actually.
Yeah,
too many think of.
Yeah, lot.
But yeah, we've had our fights, our hair pulling fights. जो भी थी वो सब चीजें बहुत हुई हैं. जो sisters में होता है, that all is been.
Even now we do have our share of arguments and all. I think that's the beauty of a relationship and sisterhood, because you know you have difference of opinions, but at the end of it, you know that I would know she's talking for my good. She would know I'm talking for her good at the end of the day. So I think that's
We can't stay without an hour without talking to each other. Even if we'll fight after an hour, we'll be talking.
In future, we would like to see Tulsi ma'am are rapping. You will like to see?
yeah,
you
I would
rapping?
love to do a song which has me rapping in it. So hopefully soon.
Okay, are you thinking or some project is going on?
Actually, ये गाना में कुछ पार्ट मैं रैप करने वाली थी, but then it we had Raftaar to be a part of the rap completely. But yes, let's
see. Maybe the next
song.
Everybody has been asking us actually this, so I think let's see. We'll try it out.
Vishal will be debuting in an acting career. We have heard more. So, is there any project going on?
There is something which is in pipeline, but I would make an announcement for that very soon.
Okay, ma'am. Any upcoming project? Because Noorep made a huge response in top chart buster also. So, other than that, Mubaraka also is coming now.
Yeah.
So,
I have an upcoming song in Mubaraka, and that's also a fast, peppy number. And I'm working on another track where I'm collaborating with a Punjabi artist Jashan. So that's another track that I'm working on as of now.
Kushal ma'am, anything?
No, we will be working on another single as well
together
very soon. So all of that is going on, and we'll let you know soon.
Anything you like to say to your fans?
Keep loving our music, and go and watch Highway Star, Mera Highway Star, if y'all still haven't, and tell us how you're liking it.
Yes, thank you guys. We
Thank
love you.
Thank you.
Thank you.